This video is a short introduction to the SMACH simulation of activity and consumption in the home simulation tool, whose BIM compatibility was developed during the BIM-IFC project. This tool is aimed at energy experts who are involved in the renovation process as a means to engage occupants in the renovation in order to promote energy-efficient post-renovation behaviors. SMACH simulates daily activities and behavior of people in the building and allows to assess the specific impact of behavior on the efficiency of the renovation project. As illustrated in this animation, during a SMACH simulation, we see the simulated individual perform their daily activities such as getting up, going to work, preparing a meal, doing the laundry, taking care of the children, etc. It also takes into account the impact of indoor temperatures on the comfort of people and simulates the use of appliances during the day. A SMACH simulation takes a number of parameters into account. When you simulate a family, the characteristics of the people are taken into account, such as age, gender, occupation, or family composition, as well as the comfort habits that are simulated. It also takes into account the variety of appliances that exist in the building, the existing energy tariffs, as well as the characteristics of the building itself. The characteristics can be taken from surveys, such as surveys developed in the BIM-IFC project, or it can be automated using statistical data. The simulated daily activities is an output of the SMACH simulation tool. And here we show different activities performed by a simulated individual. And we can see that there is a variety of behaviors and a variety of activities depending on the simulated people during the day. For the BIM compatibility, during the BIM-IFC project, a connector is developed to take into account an IFC file and take into account the geometry of a specific home in order to connect the characteristics of this home in the IFC file to the SMACH simulator. In this way, the SMACH simulator and the simulated individual take into account this geometry and perform their activity in accordance with the real geometry taken from the IFC. This allows to explore different scenarios for energy-efficient behaviors based on a specific IFC file. For instance, we can start by simulating a no-change scenario, baseline scenario, having behaviors that are similar to what was before the renovation. Other scenarios could be a comfort-driven ventilation and heating management scenario, or another one could be a more maybe cost-effective energy management scenario. Behavior strongly impacts the short-term and long-term success of the renovation. Such tools as SMACH could be used before a renovation project in order to anticipate the role of occupant behavior on the energy consumption, but also after the renovation in order to advise occupants on the best behavior to adopt in order to foster and maintain energy-efficient behaviors and benefit the most from the renovation. Thank you very much for your attention.